This is a very amazing file. Oh, but somebody.
No.
Yeah, today is 25th of July 2024. Here's Sammonkatu 41, staircase A, the last one to be filmed in this building. We have also filmed the staircases B and C here. And yes, it's also in Kaleva, Tampere, Finland. That's the history first two photographs. It was built by Epilän Konepaja in 1963. And no, it was not modernized in 1997, it was just the refurbished then.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, they're planning to replace again.
Yeah.
The serial number is E616. We'll try 3 rights here. I love the sounds in this smell here.
Same here. Diskuteerbaartje wijs met mijn denkbeeld is zo nou descript is.
Somebody.
Alright, no.
No, it's the elevator.